So if you have ever wondered what's inside a HIKvision network video recorder, the mystery has been revealed. Honestly, there's not too much in here. It's pretty barren. Power supplies, circuit board, and hard drives. Now, I've opted to buy the recorder without the hard drives. That's typically what I do. It works out cheaper like that actually, versus buying a NVR with a pre-installed drive in it. So I've got two Western Digital purple 8TB drives. This network recorder can handle actually up to two 10 terabyte drives for a total of 20 terabytes. But this is the 8-channel recorder, so I really don't need that much. You can do a calculator online that'll tell you how many how many cameras you have, what's the resolution of the cameras, and all that. It'll tell you how much recording time. This should give me probably at least a month with the cameras I have. So yeah, let's see what else. Not much else to go here. Oh, I'm gonna just get this out here real quick. So actually down here we have the bottom. Let's see, the top one is about 4 years old, and the top one's about 3 years old. And actually HIKvision hasn't changed the design of this much. They've made a few improvements I've noticed over the years. One of those, thankfully, is the rack ears. Now, if you notice this little tab here, right, they added that recently to the recorders, because what's happening is, and this is the one thing I hate about these recorders, is they're actually a 1.5 unit or 1.5U NVR, which is really, really annoying. I really want them to fix this and make it a true 1U NVR, because this creates a problem with putting the equipment in the rack, because you can't put anything below this because it takes up essentially 2 U's. So it's kind of hard to tell here, but these actually are sagging. They sag terribly, and this little tab here helps them from sagging, because that's what was happening. This helps to support the unit because they're pretty heavy. You get the hard drives inside of them. So this little tab helps to keep the recorder from sagging. But regardless, it's still a 1.5 unit NVR, which is really annoying. So HIKvision, please fix that. Okay, well, so that's my little tour of my setup here. I'm gonna get the cover back on and get this thing installed and set up. Thanks for watching.